And as expected, there is a ruckus that we can see in both Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha this morning as the proceedings for both houses of the parliament began today. And in fact, we are now getting some information that an MP has got injured as well. That's the latest update coming in at this point in time. Dramatic turn to the Ambedkar storm that we are witnessing in the parliament. Mega confrontation was witnessed at in fact, in front of Makar Dwar. One MP got injured as well in the dramatic face-off. And look at those visuals that we are bringing for you. One MP got injured. Lok Sabha got injured soon after it began the proceedings of the day. There was ruckus. There was mega confrontation, in fact, that we also witnessed. BJP MP Pratap Sarangi has got injured, during the protest is what we are learning. Dramatic turn, in fact, to Ambedkar storm. And now those are the first visuals of the BJP MP who got injured that we are getting for our viewers at this point in time. We'll be going across to my colleagues as well who've been tracking the parliament for us today to get more details as to what exactly has happened. This has been a dramatic turn this morning to the Ambedkar face-off. Mega confrontation was witnessed at Makar Dwar. BJP MP Pratap Sarangi got injured. And we are also learning that some of the INDIA bloc MPs scaled walls as well. There was a dramatic confrontation that we are learning of that happened this morning. Remember, it all began. We are getting this reaction as well from this BJP MP who's got injured. Let's listen in.
और राहुल गांधी ने आकर के एक एमपी को धक्का लगाया, वो मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं।
कहाँ चोट लगी सर आपको? कहाँ चोट लगी सर? एक बार दिखा दीजिए। ओहो, ये बेल्ट टू
So that's the first reaction that we are getting for our viewers at this point in time of this BJP MP who got injured. He suggested that Rahul Gandhi pushed somebody and that person, because of that person, the BJP MP got injured. This happened during protest, during face-off confrontation over the Ambedkar issue. There are protests, in fact, that are going on today as well on the Ambedkar issue with the opposition, continuously attacking the government. MPs have now come face to face and now also they have come to the parliament holding large posters of Dr. Ambedkar. Remember, viewers, it all began with the speech by Home Minister Amit Shah in the Rajya Sabha, the 92-minute odd speech in which he spoke about how the Congress party, under the Congress party's regime, Dr. Ambedkar, the father of the constitution, was always, in fact, insulted. He spoke about certain facts as well. And only a 12-second, in fact, video, the sliced and diced video from that long speech was used by the opposition to target the centre. Let's listen in to what the BJP MP who got injured has to say.
राहुल गांधी एक एमपी को धक्का लगा, मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं।
आपको किसने धक्का मारा? राहुल गांधी ने? राहुल गांधी ने धक्का मारा आपको?
राहुल गांधी।
कौन सी जगह पे सर? सर किस जगह पे? किस जगह पे?
और राहुल गांधी ने आकर के एक एमपी को धक्का लगाया, वो मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं।
कहाँ चोट लगी सर आपको? कहाँ चोट लगी? एक बार दिखा दीजिए। ओहो, ये बेल्ट टू ये तो बहुत खून बह रहा है। हाँ, कैसे
मैं खड़ा हुआ था, राहुल गांधी एक एमपी को धक्का लगा, मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं।
आपको किसने धक्का मारा? राहुल गांधी ने? राहुल गांधी ने धक्का मारा आपको?
राहुल गांधी।
कौन सी जगह पे सर? सर किस जगह पे? किस जगह पे?
A sensational charge by the BJP MP who got injured this morning in the parliament, Pratap Sarangi, saying that he was pushed. He was in fact pushed by an MP who was actually pushed by Rahul Gandhi during this protest that happened, and that's the reason why BJP MP Pratap Sarangi got injured. He is saying that he got injured during the protest because of an MP who was pushed by Congress MP Rahul Gandhi while protesting. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Sabyasachi, dramatic visuals coming in from the parliament this morning. Tell us exactly what has happened.
Well, that's right. See dramatic visuals coming in from outside the parliament, where on one hand the India bloc MPs are protesting against Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and on the other hand the BJP MPs are protesting in front of the Makkar Dwar. Now the India bloc MPs had said that they would carry out the agitation from the statue of Ambedkar to Makkar Dwar, and at that particular time when they were moving towards Makkar Dwar, at that particular time this incident happened, where a BJP member of parliament, Mr. Pratap Sarangi, has alleged that Mr. Rahul Gandhi in fact had pushed a member of parliament who in fact fell on him, and that is why he got injured, where there were reports that certain MPs even climbed the wall because there was complete tussle which was going on. On one hand the BJP MPs continue to say that it is the Congress party who had been
ये पार्लियामेंट की एंट्रेंस है, इसमें मैं अंदर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था तो बीजेपी के एमपी जो थे वो मुझे ऐसे रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, धकेल रहे थे और मुझे धमका रहे थे, तो वो हुआ है। देखिए हाँ किया है मगर ठीक है कोई मतलब धक्का मुक्की से हमें कुछ होता नहीं है, मगर ये एंट्रेंस है पार्लियामेंट हाउस की और हमारा अधिकार है अंदर जाने का, और बीजेपी के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो हमें अंदर जाने से रोक रहे थे।
सेंट्रल इशू है जो आप लोग मांग कर रहे हैं अमित शाह के रेजिग्नेशन को लेकर।
नहीं, सेंट्रल इशू है कि ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं और जो अंबेडकर जी की मेमोरी है उसका अपमान कर रहे हैं।
बीजेपी सर आप लोगों से माफी की मांग कर रही है, कह रही है कांग्रेस माफी मांग रही है। मैम आपके साथ धक्का मुक्की हुई है? मैम प्रियंका जी आपके साथ कोई बच्चे लोग?
All right, another reaction coming in, this time from leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi himself, who said instead that BJP MPs were trying to push him, they were trying to threaten him. As the opposition MPs were trying to go inside, they were being stopped, and that's the time when perhaps he pushed another MP who hit BJP MP who got injured. We're talking about Pratap Sarangi here. Let's now take a look at this report sent to us by my colleague Rishabh on what exactly happened during the protest.
What do you
तो जाए आपके कैमरा में होगा। ये पार्लियामेंट की एंट्रेंस है, इसमें मैं अंदर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था तो बीजेपी के एमपी जो थे वो मुझे ऐसे रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, धकेल रहे थे और मुझे धमका रहे थे, तो वो हुआ है। देखिए हाँ किया है मगर ठीक है कोई मतलब धक्का मुक्की से हमें कुछ होता नहीं है, मगर ये एंट्रेंस है पार्लियामेंट हाउस की और हमारा अधिकार है अंदर जाने का, और बीजेपी के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो हमें अंदर जाने से रोक रहे थे।
सेंट्रल इशू है जो आप लोग मांग कर रहे हैं अमित शाह के रेजिग्नेशन को लेकर।
नहीं, सेंट्रल इशू है कि ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर आक्रमण कर रहे हैं और जो अंबेडकर जी की मेमोरी है उसका अपमान कर रहे हैं।
बीजेपी सर आप लोगों से माफी की मांग कर रही है, कह रही है कांग्रेस माफी मांग रही है। मैम